So we'll just need a normal kitchen knife and the correct batteries. If you're not sure which batteries you need for your key fob, open up the key fob first and just read that 4-digit number listed on the current batteries. That'll tell you which one you need. So we're going to pull this trigger back and release the hidden key. I also have a video on what this hidden key is for in the video description. So next, we're just going to take the thinnest part of the knife and slide it in that little crack that we see on the key fob. Now we're going to start from the top and do like a seesaw motion, putting some pressure on the knife and sliding it towards the bottom. And once we get it to the bottom, we're just going to do a wiggle motion right there until it cracks open. All right. So after this, we just got to take out the old battery, put in a new battery, and then snap everything in place. Now I'm gonna go through this a second time with you because I think that was kind of fast. So again, all we're doing is sliding the knife from the top to the bottom and then wiggle it open. So again, push it in from the top, do like a seesaw motion, putting pressure on it until you get it to the very bottom, and we're just gonna wiggle it open. Now it will be some cases where you'll see this happen. I'm gonna show you. It looks like you open the key fob from the wrong side, but don't panic. Just move all the components over and you're good to go. All right. So if you like videos around everyday tech and products, this is all I do here. So feel free to subscribe if you haven't already. But for this video, this is all I got for you. Much love to each and every one of you. I'm your downloading pirate. And I'm out.